Hi, today we're gonna learn how to create WhatsApp group. First, open your browser and search for web.whatsapp.com. After logging in, you can find three dot icon. Click on the three dot icon. Now you will find new group option here. Click on new group. Type your contact name that you want to add in your group. After selecting your member, click on this arrow button. Type your group subject here. You can also add group icon here, but I'm gonna leave it now. Now click on this button. Your group was created. Now you can message your group member here. Thanks for watching.